Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn about freeze versus a const object. So most of the people gets confused between a const variable and a freeze method. So let me clarify in this video. To understand more about the different types of methods of a JavaScript object, please watch my previous videos for better understanding. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Here I have created two files index.html and index.js where I have embedded this index.js into index.html. Let me create an object by using a const variable const. Let me give a name property as Sai Kumar, and this is also an object, but it is a type of string object. Now what I am doing is console.log of name. Let me save this and go back, clear it off and reload. So here you are seeing Sai Kumar. And now whenever I try to update this value, name is equal to Sai Kumar Kortivada, semicolon, go back and reload. See here, assignment to const variable. There is an error where you cannot assign the value to the const variable. That means whenever you want to update the value over a const variable, that is not possible. But if you see an object, let me create a variable called as const obj is equal to age colon 10. So most of the people will think that we cannot even update the value of a property which is existing inside this object, something like obj.age is equal to 20. So whatever the assumption we are doing is wrong, because here we are not changing the reference for this object. We are changing a property inside that object. So let me print the console.log of obj. Here in this obj, that means here in this obj we will be getting an updated value called as 20. Let me clear it off and reload. Here, okay, we are already facing a problem because of this assignment. Let me comment this assignment, go back, clear it off and reload. If you see here age 20, that means the last updated value exists. But here whenever you are trying to assign this object with another object, let me create where obj2 is equal to name colon Sai. So here I have created one more object, but this time what I'm doing is I'm trying to assign obj2 obj2. So I'm trying to assign obj2 object into obj. Now in this case I'm trying to change whole reference, that means whole object value itself, that means the reference of that object. Then that const variable will trigger an error. Let me reload this. Here you can see an assignment to constant variable is giving a problem. That means what we understood from this is you can change the properties of an object, but you cannot change the reference or the complete value of an object whenever you are using a const variable. So if you are doing the same thing for freeze, let me comment this, and whenever you want to freeze this object, that means whenever you want to avoid the insertion, avoid the updation, avoid the deletion of an object, you can use freeze. So whenever I have an object obj where obj3 is equal to address, I'm giving an address Hyderabad. So now what I'm doing is I'm trying to freeze this object dot freeze of obj3. Here whenever I'm giving obj3 to the freeze method, I cannot insert any value, I cannot update anything inside an object. Obj3 t dot address is equal to Sikindrabad. So I gave something like this address, and now trying to console this object obj3 semicolon, go back, reload. If you see here, the address is still Hyderabad even if I'm trying to update the address value. Now what I'll do is I'll try to assign the obj2 value to this obj3. Let me give obj3 is equal to obj2 and give semicolon, go back, reload. If you see here, the name Sai has been overridden. That means you can assign or you can override whole object with obj3 to obj2 even the object is freezed. Now let's understand the difference between a const and the freeze. The freeze method will avoid you to delete, insert or update the properties of an object, whereas the const variable will be avoiding you to assign a new reference to that object, but you can insert, you can change, you can delete the existing properties inside a object which is defined by using a const variable. So that is the main difference between const and the freeze. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.